stone wall where little houses are. There we go, look. He's going to sit there and eat us. He's not bothered. You enjoy that cake, mouse. It's like he's rolled his sleeves up. He just took it off him. Oh, you're sharing? No, you've got a bigger piece now. That's better. Hey, poor mouse. Everybody's stealing mouses. Where's he gone? Oh. He's not taking best cake. Well, that were totally unfair. Oh, he's back. Have you got one now? Don't let anybody take it off you. Oh, just a quick look. That's it. You grab a piece. You enjoy that, mouse. Somebody else at the top, look. You see? He's coming. Don't let him take yours, mouse. Let's put it on top of mouse. Somebody put some food on your bike. I've seen it on. Oh my goodness. He's back again.